ready to turn your property into a hot commodity and get it sold. Let's jump into how to list your property on Trulia for maximum impact. First, head over to Trulia.com and sign into your account if you don't have one. It's super easy to create a free account with just your email address. Once you're logged in, look for the List Your Property button. It's usually near the top right corner of the page. Now, for the details, accurately enter the property address, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, and lot size. The more accurate your information, the better Trulia can match your listing with potential buyers. This is where you grab attention. Upload high-quality photos showcasing the best features of your property. Think bright, well-lit shots that highlight spacious rooms, updated kitchens, and beautiful landscaping. Consider adding a virtual tour for an even greater impact. Craft a compelling property description that highlights its unique selling points. Mention recent upgrades, nearby amenities, and neighborhood highlights. Use descriptive language and focus on the benefits of living in the property. Trulia may offer a recommended price range based on comparable properties in your area. Consider this when setting your price, but ultimately, the final decision is yours. Be realistic and competitive to attract more potential buyers. Next, enter your contact information so interested buyers or their agents can easily reach you. You can choose how much information to display to protect your privacy. Before publishing, review your listing carefully. Double-check all the information, photos, and descriptions for accuracy and completeness. Once you're satisfied, hit that publish button. Congratulations! Your property is now live on Trulia. Monitor your listing's performance and respond promptly to any inquiries. A little effort can go a long way in attracting the right buyer.